Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're showcasing an incredible lineup of industrial machines that operate at peak efficiency. From state-of-the-art manufacturing robots to advanced material handling systems, these 50 machines represent the pinnacle of industrial technology. Let's dive into the world of cutting-edge machinery and see how they keep our industries running smoothly. Manufacturing robots are revolutionizing the industry with their precision and efficiency. Here are some of the most impressive models. Panic M2000 ****. Known for its powerful payload capacity and versatility, perfect for heavy-duty manufacturing tasks. KUKA KR1000 Titan ****. This robot excels in handling heavy components with remarkable precision and speed. ABB IRB 8700 ****. Renowned for its high performance in large-scale manufacturing processes. Yaskawa Motoman MH24 ****. Combines speed and precision, ideal for complex manufacturing operations. Universal Robots R10 ****. A flexible and efficient collaborative robot designed to work alongside human operators. CNC machines are the backbone of modern manufacturing. Here are some of the most advanced. Haas VF650 ****. Known for its robustness and precision in machining large parts. Mazik Integrex I-400 ****. Combines turning and milling capabilities in a single setup, enhancing productivity. DMG Mori DMU50 ****. Offers 5-axis machining capabilities, ensuring high precision and efficiency. Akuma MU8000V ****. This machine excels in complex and precise machining tasks, offering unparalleled efficiency. Doosan DNM 5700 ****. A versatile and efficient CNC machine, perfect for various manufacturing applications. Printing is transforming manufacturing with its rapid prototyping and production capabilities. Here are some standout machines. Stratasys F900 ****. Known for its large build volume and high-performance materials. EOS M400 ****. A metal 3D printer offering exceptional precision and production efficiency. HP Jet Fusion 5200 ****. Delivers high-speed, quality parts with incredible efficiency. Markforged X7 ****. Combines strength and precision, perfect for industrial applications. Formlabs Form 3L **** offers large-scale, high-resolution printing for industrial use. Laser cutters provide precision and speed in cutting materials. Here are some of the best. Trumpf True Laser 5030 Fiber ****. Known for its speed and precision in cutting various materials. Bystronic by Smart Fiber 3015 ***, offers high cutting speeds and efficiency, ideal for industrial applications. Amada LCG 3015 AJ ***, combines advanced technology with precision cutting. Mazik Optiplex 3015 Fiber ***, offers high-speed cutting with exceptional accuracy. Trotec SP 2000 ***, known for its versatility and efficiency in cutting a wide range of materials. Material handling systems are essential for efficient industrial operations. Here are some impressive systems. Daifuku Automated Storage and Retrieval Systems ASRS ***, known for optimizing storage and retrieval processes. Dematic Multishuttle ***, offers high-speed material handling with exceptional efficiency. Swisslog AutoStore ***. A compact and efficient storage system, ideal for maximizing space and productivity. Intelligrated Conveyor Systems ***, provides seamless and efficient material transport across industrial facilities. Fives Intralogistics Systems ***, known for their advanced automation and efficiency in material handling. Packaging machines streamline the final steps of production. Here are some of the most efficient. Bosch Pack 403 ***, known for its versatility and high-speed packaging capabilities. Ishida Inspira ***, offers advanced technology for efficient and precise. Packaging. Multivac T800 ***, combines speed and precision, ideal for various packaging applications. Sealed Air Cryovac DL75 ***, provides high-performance packaging with exceptional efficiency. ULM ATFS 700 ***, known for its advanced features and efficient packaging solutions. Printing presses are vital for high-volume printing tasks. Here are some of the most impressive models. Heidelberg Speedmaster XL106 ***, known for its speed and quality in large-scale printing. Komori Lithrone G40 ***, offers high productivity and exceptional print quality. KBA Rapida 106 ***, renowned for its efficiency and advanced features in printing. Universal Robots R5 ***, offers advanced features and high efficiency in automation. Yaskawa HC10 ***, combines precision and efficiency in industrial automation. These 50 impressive industrial machines showcase the incredible advancements in technology and efficiency that drive our industries forward. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.